Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add effect layers to your video on the Videoleap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and click on this plus icon down below, then select the video you want to edit. Click on the Add to Project button and then select the editing mode in the middle of the screen and click on the Continue button. Slide to the right side until you find the FX Layers section, tap on it. And here you have three categories at the top: lights, film and glitches. And within the sections you can find additional subcategories: raise, glow, analog, and so on. Click on the relevant one that you would like to apply. As you can see, it's being downloaded. And then it will be inserted to your video, marked with this section above your video. So feel free to make adjustments such as blending, highlight, adjustments, opacity, and so on. You can also set the speed of it on this side and other features as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.